Hey guys, so I bought this electric pot from Temu. It just arrived today and I gave it a wash inside and the lid as well. And yeah, it's quite small. It's quite small and it's quite shallow as well. Yeah, about this deep. And it's got a electric port where you connect it. Yeah. So I'm gonna cook this, an instant noodle. You might not know this because it's quite underrated, but this is one of my favorite instant noodles called Chapagetti. Okay? It's called Chapagetti. A black bean spaghetti with roasted jajang sauce. It's not spaghetti, okay? Just for your information, it's not spaghetti. I got the water inside. Let's turn it on. So this one on the left is a low heat, and if you go right side it's the high heat. Let's try high heat first, see how fast it boils. In the meantime, how to cook this. Well, here are the instructions, but I don't really follow the instruction. You don't really need to follow the instruction. So I got my chopstick ready. Let's see, there's bubbles inside at the bottom. So it's getting warm, I think. So inside there are like 3 sachets. One is like condiments, I think, or flakes and stuff. One is the sauce, and the last one is an olive oil. I think it's okay. It's veggie oil. It used to be olive. See, it says olive oil. I don't know. Maybe it is olive oil. Last but not least, the noodle. Now on the video, it shows you this light down here. It looks like it's blinking on the video, but in real life it's not blinking, okay? Now the order of ingredients that go. I just put the flake first, followed by noodle, and boil it for a few minutes until it's kind of softer. And after it's been boiled, drain the water out, leaving just a few drops of water inside the pot, and then add this soup powder with oil, and on low heat you just mix it again. See, these are the little flakes. It's got like dried carrot, onion, I think. Ooh. Da 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 da. And then close the lid again for a few more minutes. I'll just have a bite of a strand. Oh no, it still needs cooking. Okay, I think that looks cooked enough. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so now we drain the water. Just gotta be careful not to burn myself or not to drain the noodle out. So this is how I do it. So I'll just drain a bit more. And I think that's a good amount. And now from here on, we add this soup powder. It's black. And add the oil as well. See, you just follow that, easy cut, and pour the oil. I'll just put it on low heat now. and as it kind of boils or simmers, you mix the powder and the oil with the noodle. Not high heat, light heat. Oh, looking good. I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, it's good to have a little bit of water, otherwise it will be too dry. I think it's all done. That was quite nicely cooked in my opinion. So that's it. This is the final product. It's kind of brownish, dark brownish noodle. Oh, it smells good. I love this. This is one of my favorites since childhood. So this is how you cook Chapagetti, and it's quite underrated among non-Korean people. This pot, very handy. Alright, let's try how it tastes. Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I know I made this, but this is so good. I'm not kidding, like, it tastes really good. So this tastes really savory, not spicy. So my opinion on this pot, I bought it for $30. That's New Zealand dollars. I think it's okay. I mean, this is my first time using it. The quality, it's plastic, by the way. It's plastic, all plastic handle, plastic body, but I think it's got like non-stick coating around the, so I think you can just wash it out without scrubbing. Quality is probably, it feels cheap, but I think it's decent investment for the price. 맛있어. I am happy with this product. So let's see how easy it is to clean this. You know, make sure you unplug this first. Let's try rinse it out. So yeah, look at that. It's clean as. I would use detergent, you know, just to be safe, but this is how good it is. It's the coating on this metal is non-stick, so the food doesn't get stuck onto this pot. So that was a short review for the electric pot that I bought from Temu, and how to cook Chapagetti, my favorite instant noodle from Korea. So yeah, thanks for watching.